Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Kortman and I am so excited to be your 4th grade teacher this year. Unfortunately, when you see me on Tuesday morning, I'm gonna have to be wearing this mask. But I'm gonna show you that underneath the mask, I always have a big smile on my face. So even though I have this mask on, just remember that I'm smiling at you. So when you come into school on Tuesday morning, you're going to find your locker first. So over here, you'll see that we have all of this row of lockers. And you're gonna notice that it has a little paw with your name on it. So all you have to do is find the paw with your name on it. You can put your backpack in there. All of your school supplies will be in your backpack. You can bring those into the classroom. You can put your coat, whatever you have, you can put it in your locker. And now I'm gonna be right here greeting you at the door. And I'd love to give you a hug or a handshake, but unfortunately we're not gonna be able to do that this year. So you can just wave at me and say hello, and then you can walk into the classroom. Come on, let's go. This is going to be your classroom this year. And I hope you love the space just as much as I do. You'll notice right now that there are no name tags on the tables, but when you come in on Tuesday morning, there will be a blue name tag. All you have to do is find your name tag and you can take a seat at that chair. Now, I want to show you a couple of spaces that you're going to be using a lot in the classroom. So let's go to my favorite spot back here, and this is going to be our classroom library. This is my favorite spot in the room. As you can see, I love books. And I've tried to stock my classroom library with so many books because I want you to read what you love. If you haven't fallen in love with reading yet, I want you to fall in love with reading this year. Sometimes the reason we don't love reading is because we just haven't found the right book yet. And so I'm hopeful that in this classroom library, you'll be able to find the book that makes you fall in love with reading. So I hope that you'll visit this space a lot this year. All right, one other space you'll also use a lot is your little cubby. So we'll go over here to the corner of the room and I'll show you where your cubbies are. So this is where you'll put your math workbook, your math folder, your social studies and science folder, and every time we do those subjects, you'll come and you'll grab the materials that you need and you'll bring it to your table. And then when we're done, we'll bring it back to our cubby. So this is where we'll be holding some of our materials. And then another place in the classroom where you'll hold your materials is in your book box. So we'll use this book box for Writer's Workshop and for Reader's Workshop. We'll have our writing binder in here, and we'll have our reader's notebook, and we'll fill this up with books that we love to read. I can't wait to meet you on Tuesday morning. I hope you are as excited as I am. I'll see you then.